So we're going from Go pros going proer to Go proers going to Go pro with Go. Hey guys, I'm V-Lobs. This is the Technophiles Newscast, and Google has finally met a huge milestone in AI technology, beating someone at a game of Go. And not just any someone, a professional player, as in like the European champion of Go. Now for those who don't know, Go is an ancient Chinese board game consisting of a 19 by 19 grid and black and white stones. It works kind of like Othello, but bigger, more elaborate, and when you capture stones, you have to surround them on 4 sides, or at least a section of stones surrounded all around. This has been considered one of the most difficult games to create AI for. Lots and lots of companies have been trying to create versions of AIs that you can play Go against, but it is so difficult to get one that is consistently good. Like for example, this is how difficult Go is to make AI for. Chess has 10 to the 60th power of possibilities that you can play with. Go has 10 to the 700th power of possibilities that games can go. That's a ton. That's why it's so difficult for AI to go through all of those possibilities and choose which one is the best one to go with when selecting a different move. So AlphaGo is an AI that uses 2 different networks to decide what it's going to do, a policy network and a values network. The 2 networks work together to create a smaller amount of moves that have a shorter range of predicted end goals. So it doesn't predict the rest of the game, it only predicts the next 20 or so moves ahead that will create some sort of gain for the computer player. It has a shallower search, but it still has that predictive element to it that reduces the amount of strain and stress on the system. So it doesn't have a lot of time to kind of sit and think and run through all the possibilities. It can decide what it's going to do in about 0.1 seconds. So one of the big tests for AlphaGo was 5 games against European champion Fan Hui. AlphaGo won each and every single one of them. He described the program as very strong and stable. He said it seemed like a wall. It's also been shown to just blow away the competition when it comes to other Go AI programs that are out there for consumers or private or whatever. It has beaten them 99.8% of the time, like of all the games they've played, which for computers, they go really fast, so this has been like millions of games. Now this is just another example of an AI perfecting its thought process to gather and interpret data. So this kind of strategy for playing Go can also be used to manage patients in a hospital and kind of predict or analyze what best treatments would be to get the best possible outcome. So we are moving beyond algorithms for AI and moving into virtual thought processes to solve problems. So what game do you think Google's AI should take on next? Let us know in the comments below, or you can tweet it at us at TechnopilesPod. You can also check us out on Facebook by searching Technophiles Podcast, or you can go to our website, technophilespodcast.com. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked what you saw here, we've got a few more other newscasts over here where I talk about hyper flexible sensors and GoPro teaming up with Periscope. That's pretty cool. Over here, we've got the podcast. We've got Branch and Dialogue, which is video games. They're probably talking about something really dorky that you'll enjoy, no doubt. And then we've got the podcast up here where we'll be talking about new technologies and all that. And if you liked what you saw and you want to see it like almost every single day, we've got new videos. You can subscribe right here. Thanks a bunch.